Okay, so we're going to do winter activities. We're going to compare and contrast, and we did this a lot before the break where we were seeing how they were the same and how they were different. We did this with our fairy tales, with Big Bad Wolf stories. Um, but today we're going to compare and contrast winter activities. Okay. Skiing and snowboarding are both winter activities that many people like to participate in. When I see the word both, that tells me that it's going to go in the middle here. Okay? Both activities involve moving over snow with boards attached to your feet. When skiing, there are two skis and one is attached to each of your boots. When snowboarding, there is just one board that is attached to both of your boots. Snowboarding looks more like skateboarding or surfing with both your feet on one board. For both sports, you'll need to dress for the cold weather with warm coats and snow pants. Also, both activities take place on snowy hills. Okay, so we're going to look, let's see, I underlined both 4 times. That tells me I'm going to have 4 things written here in the center on how they are the same or similar. So the first one says both winter activities that they are both winter activities that many people like to participate in. So we can just make a short note, many like. Okay, I'm going to make a little bullet that tells me that that is 1 point. Let's see. Both activities involve moving over snow with boards attached to your feet. So they both have boards on feet. Both sports you'll need to dress for cold weather with warm coats and snow pants. So let's see. We need to dress for cold. And then finally here it says both activities take place on snowy hills. So we can just make another note here that says snowy hills. There. Okay, so let's look at how they are different. I see the word skiing here. So I'm going to put when skiing, there are 2 skis and one is attached to each of your boots. So we'll say 2, remember we're just taking notes, skis, 1 on each foot. Okay. When snowboarding, there is 1 board on 2 feet. Okay, let's see. So snowboarding looks more like skateboarding or surfing with both your feet on one board. Well, that's describing right there. Okay, so that is the similarities and the differences. What do skiing and snowboarding have in common? Okay, so we're looking at A, B, or C. A, both are dangerous. That could be an answer. But it didn't talk about that in the article. So let's look at B. Both can be done in the summer. Well, let's think about it. Is there a lot of snow around in the summertime? No, that's definitely a big no. we'll eliminate that one right now. Both activities take place in the snow. They have to be both, also both activities take place on snowy hills. Yes. So we're going to color in. So let's do it just like we're doing it when we're in school. Color in that dot, nice and neat, the whole thing. Okay, let's look at how is snowboarding different from skiing. Snowboarding uses one board. Did we say that up here in our Venn diagram? One board on 2 feet, 2 skis on one on each foot. Well, that is definitely a possibility. Snowboarding uses 2 skis. Well, snowboarding does not use 2 skis, so we're going to eliminate that one. Snowboarding is scarier. Well, that's an opinion, okay? That's an opinion, and it was not in our article, so we're not going to use that one either. So snowboarding uses one board, and we're going to color that circle in completely. And that's it.